Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of shadows on PrintCAST if they're going beyond your image. So in this case I have a business card and we have Hello WorldCAST and we have the rocket ship with the shadows extending beyond the boundary of the print. Let me show you how you can quickly remove that fast. So all you have to do is open up your cast. Once it's open, you just go to cast properties and you're going to go to shadows and you're going to go on the image so that way the shadows will only stay there, or you can go nowhere as well. I'm going to go update and you'll see that that shadow's gone. I'm just going to go quickly save, and once it's saved, I'm just going to rescan the card and you'll see that the shadow will be gone. So I'm just going to go return to studio. I am just going to refresh this and we'll see that that shadow is gone. Just that simple. If I move the image underneath, you'll see that the shadow is still on the actual image itself. So let me just go save one more time. And we'll quickly do this again. Let's just refresh this one more time. And you'll see that the shadow is on the card, but it's not extending past the boundary of the actual card itself. Same as the KP9 logo. It's only on the card. If you want to have a couple of different features, we have different options. You can go off the image as well. You can go nowhere and everywhere. And that's today's lesson for shadows. As always, I can't wait to see what you create.